Hey everyone, check out the DJFG HD Lace Frontal Wig human hair in stunning blonde with a body wave texture and 26-inch length. This 360 full lace wig features hand-tied construction and small bleached knots for a natural scalp appearance. It offers more baby hair around the hairline and plenty of parting space, perfect for high ponytails and buns. The upgraded soft invisible HD lace blends seamlessly with all skin tones and provides a realistic look. It comes pre-plucked with a natural hairline and includes a wide elastic band for secure, comfortable wear without much glue. The 200 density adds fullness while keeping the wig lightweight and breathable. This wig is designed for easy installation and everyday comfort, making it a versatile choice for any style. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.